Hey dudes, what's up and welcome to another video of Eating Fruities. So today, as we said, we are going to continue playing Eating Fruities, and yeah guys, I'm going to start this as a series, so yeah. And welcome to another episode, and I'm just going to hop right into the game, and here we go. By the way guys, I also updated the game a bit, so where that you guys, alright, you guys can, I mean like, not you guys, sorry. Okay, I'm speaking nonsense now. I've read that you can, okay, read that me, I can, move more faster, and apple spawn more faster, so that's better. Guys, I'm sorry that I'm talking, I don't know, I'm just talking nonsense. Sorry, it's hard to like play while talk and know what's going around. So yeah, oh, fruit salad, nice one. Right, let's continue doing this. And oops, got it. Okay, I got this. Oh, closer. Without shade. Okay, so there's definitely more apples due to what I did. And yeah. And guys, we're gonna see if we can pass my high score. By the way, how do you know when you pass your high score? As a surprise, if I pass today. If I don't, I'm going to tell you at the end of the video. I just ate the starfish. Dude, I ate the starfish. Ooh, fruit salad. Nice. Yes, new high score. That's how you know that you have a new high score. Alright, so let's continue. The fish gonna eat us. By the way, how you know that the fish at the side's gonna eat us? By just seeing. Now you can see his tail. When it rotates and his face is like pointing outward, that means in another 10 seconds, if I'm not wrong, it's going to come and eat. Okay, now you see he has his tail out, right? And I just ate him, so bye. I just ate him. I'm growing big, dude, huge. And yep, the game has reached its time limit. And yep, so I think that's all I can eat. Now guys, I don't want to end the video like really fast. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to give you guys a little glimpse of how to program this thing. So yep, high score 113. So now I'm going to show you the program. So guys, by the way, high score I need to go to data, set, no, I need to go for the fish. Okay, and then data, set high score 1113. So guys, here's the program at the site here. I'm gonna try to like, okay, yep, you just look at the program at the site. So these actually are the main ones. You don't need to add a lot of apples and stuff. Like guys, you just only need to add the apple and the fish, and then the game is done. You don't necessarily need the starfish and stuff. So fish, since my program is like quite big, so this is none. Yep, and I forgot to set the high score. Okay, so there's key and left arrow and change 5. You guys can see it, right? So I'm gonna go down slowly through here. So yeah, it's quite very long, and I'm keeping it for further updates. So guys, can you see? Yep, I'm going quite slow so you guys can see. And guys, you know there's a thing named data at the scripts. You have to add your own data in order for this to work. Like about 70% of these are going on data. So you have to go to data, make variable, and say, make a score, high score, life, and total size. And then do all of this. Okay. Once you have done all of this, I'm gonna go a bit fast. So yeah. So yeah, once you have done all of this, you gotta go up and start this main one. You see when click, that this guy here, which I'm dragging around. Okay. When click set life 50, you have to add all of this. So each time you start a game, shows you. Now this is the apples program for the apple. So it's just basically this. You just clean it up. Yep, and yep, there you go. Let me just place that down a bit. Okay, and then so this is basically the program for it. And guys, don't worry about the go to X speak random. It's exactly same like mine, so you can just copy it. And yeah, so all of this. And by the way, you see at this guy, let me just move it around so you know this guy. Okay, when you click forever show, wait 0.5 seconds and create a clone of myself. So that's basically the thing that you need to set. This means that every 550 milliseconds a clone of an apple is going to spawn, and once it spawns, this program on top here, right, it's going to tell the apple to go randomly in either like the full screen. Randomly it's going to tell the apple to go anywhere. And there's also one thing down there named forever. If touching fish one hide, that means if you eat it, it hides, so it does not always stay there. And yeah, so if let's say you want to go on and add the starfish, it's quite simple, but because this is the first starfish or like eating stuff which I made, it's like quite a bit what did you say, yeah, it's quite a bit, let me say, yeah, complicated because I added a lot. But if you want to do an advanced program for the starfish, I mean like a short one, you can just copy the exact program of this. It's exactly same, but why this is more smaller, because I found a way to do it more easier. So it's just the exact same, but what yeah, everything is just the same, only you can add it to any other fish or sharks. And yep, and if you want like a defect or something, so you can like less your score, just one for the first candle. So it's just basically same like the apple. When start pick random, wait 10 seconds and just go to anywhere. And you can add costumes on candles, and yeah, like normally. Now for the fish, I added a lot of costumes, so I can choose which one that I want to use, like this guy, this guy, this guy, or this guy. So you can add random costumes, that's no matter, you can use any of them. And that's all for, yeah, that's all for today guys. See you in the next videos, and goodbye. And this is the fish program, okay?